Hello, anime fans and card collectors. This is Tomax, and today I have here is a Detective Conan uh, collector card first series from KAYOU. Um, so I'm so excited getting this one because I'm actually a long fan of this anime. Um, so who you pretty much know or don't know, this is a child detective theme anime. It's called Detective Conan. It came to U.S. and it goes by the name of Case Closed. The premise of this story is this. Is not. This is the main character. His name is Conan Edogawa, but he's not a kid, even though he looks like a kid. He's actually a teen detective by the name of Kudo Shinichi. But in one of his investigation, he got mixed up with the wrong guys, got caught, and was forced to take a medicine that turns into now a 7-year-old body of a kid. And but that didn't stop his detective, bug that he had caught, and he continues to solve cases, even though as a kid, and try to, ultimately, hopefully, reverse the side effect and get become himself again. Um, so this is actually it's a detective theme comic or manga or anime. And actually, this is a long running series. This anime started in January of 1996, and it has been continuing going on as of to today of the recording. As of today, they have hit over 1,100 episodes, and most of the time each episode is its own murder case that he resolves, or they may get like a few episodes combined together if it's a more complicated case, and then there's a long running um, main story of him trying to locate the dark organization that turned him into this form. So he has to, in order for him to gain the advantage or kind of like be on the same playing field, even though he's a 7-year-old kid, think about how hard it is for a child to go into crime scene and figure things out. Um, you know, he kind of tagged along to his best friend's dad's detective agency, and he gains these kind of cool gadgets to help him solve cases. So yeah, not to spoil too much. That's kind of what it is. So let's have a look at the box here. So this box is dimension wise about 6 inches wide, about a little bit more than 5 inches tall, and about a hefty 2 inches thick. And we'll see a little bit more about that. On the front, you have the name of this series of the animated here, the KAYOU logo on this side. You have her. This one is actually suggest price to be 2 yuan a pack, so more of a cheaper side. You have Detective Conan in here. Got some like trinkets like keys, sparkles of his walkie-talkie detective badge here. More keys. You got a hollow sticker of KAYOU, and then let's see here, and some other signature brands of the anime itself. And you got doing a signature, Kana Edogawa. So they reversed it like the US side where the first and last name, but as I introduced it, and they weren't normally in the. If you look at the Japanese subtitle anime, it's Edogawa Conan is how he introduced himself. And that's of course is his alias that he took on because he can't use his real name as a 7-year-old boy. All right, and on the bottom you have like the main logo of the series. You have 2 sample cards over here. Little stamp there blocking it up. The QR code scan on top. And you got 3 of his most common gadgets. You have his eyeglass, which works as a radar. His bow tie that allows him to change voices, so he could mimic people, and sort of, well, in combination with this watch, it's a watch, but it also is a flashlight, and it also has a tranquilizer dart in it. So what he does is, once he solves a case, since he's a 7-year-old kid, he can't really step up and tell people what happened. No one will take his word. So he had to tranquilize his best friend's father, and then, you know, puppet him while he was sleeping, mimicking his voice to sort of solve the case. And on this side, you have additional sample cards. And there is only one truth. That's kind of one of his catchphrase. And on the back here, you have a little symbol of him, Kana Edogawa. And then you have a little bit of information of the manufacturer. You sort of have like a breakdown of the cards in here. So you got NR. So that looks like the more cards we have, 30 cards of it. So that's more the common cards, all the way to GR. And it looks like the ratio, there is 30 packs in the box. 17 packs will get the top row, 1 NR, 2 NRs. Sorry, 1 NR, 1 NR, or a diamond NR. 1 R and 1 SR, GR, or GR. And then 13 of it, you get 1 NR, 1 NR, or diamond NR, 1 R or SR, and 1 SSR or QR or UR. Again, manufactured in China. That's why the words are in Chinese, and not suitable for 3 years old of age. All right, without further ado, so that's the outside of the box. Let's unleash this box. One thing I did notice here, this is something I've never seen here. KAYOU has like this kind of strip here. I'm not sure if this is new. Because when you order these boxes, they don't really have like tell you when they were manufactured and all that. So, all right. What's this inside? All right. Let's have a look inside. All right. 2 rolls as usual. We're thin. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13 on one side. It should be 15, right? 8, 10, 12, 14, 15. Yes, 15 on one side. And then another 15 on the other side. That's it in the box. A little bit. The name on there. And here's the packs. It's going to be a lot. So we got 30 packs open. So bear with me a bit. And let's have a look at the here. So it says here, KAYOU, $2 or 2 yuan pack. That's the same design as on the box itself. On the front, on the back. You got the same information on the back of the box. And the same warning sign and the breakdown. Right there. Okay, can't zoom in there. There we go. All right, let's get these cracking. So, get that focus. So again, if you like what you're like these kind of videos, feel free to leave a like and subscribe. It really does help with the channel. So give me some more guidance of you like these kind of openings that I do. And check out my channel. I do other cards as well, like Marvel cards, other anime themed cards, and and whatever. Sometimes even some interesting areas or section that my friends kind of get for me. All right. Without further ado, let's have a look at the first pack. Let me do something about that focus here. All right. And I will be referencing them more the Japanese name because I'm obvious. I watch subtitles, so kind of recognized by their Japanese name. Even though I do know that Kudo Senichi's name in English is Jimmy Kudo. But yeah, so we got Heiji. This is also another teen detective, kind of like a rival for him, but is from a different region of um, Japan. And this is this R card, really clean, from anime. Let's see, and got some wording in the back. Can't really read there. Okay, there is always one true, kind of the same catchphrase we saw in the box, and he gets a greenish background. Okay, on the back we just get Detective Conan in the middle, and then we get the northeast southwest compass design. Nice. We got a little name tag here with a little key. All right. Next, we got a card of a scene here. This is an NR, diamond NR actually. See the diamond in front of the NR there. And got a nice little design here of Detective Conan on this side. Got this play button live, kind of like you're watching a TV or a video. And this is one of the actually one of the cop friends that they have in the series. So they do work well with the cops, but again, he hides his true identity in front of the cops. And then they have this whole side story of like romance and all that. If you're interested in that, that's a bonus. A lot of like you know comic relief in there. The back, oh, it's a different design. We got a plus and a heart. We got this name here, a magnifying glass, a pointer, like on a computer. This is BK Town. I don't know what that reference is. Maybe that's the location of that scene, which is quite a bit interesting selection because I don't really recall. I mean, they go all over Japan, so okay. Oh, her name is Detective Saito. They go by the last name more as a way of calling their elders. Okay, we got this other character. She is Judy is her name in the anime. She is she started as an English teacher for Conan, but she's actually a FBI agent. So he gets kind of involved in international cases too. Like a card there. This is a SR card. Okay. Let me put this over here. So NRs are going up there. And then we get another scene. So this is Detective Conan, NR card. We've got Judy, the teacher we just saw, and with another character who's sort of getting a little bit more screen time. He is a college student that is just moved into Conan's old residence. But there's a secret with him. Not gonna spoil for you guys of why Conan trusts to give him his home keys, knowing that it could expose him. And this one got a white background compared to a pink one that we saw with this one. So I don't know if I have any indications. Also says Bakey Town on the where over here. Other than it's matching this corner color, I think that's it. Okay. The 4 cards per pack. Next pack. And we got Ron, Mori, uh, and she is actually Kudo Shinichi's like childhood friend, and her father is the detective agency that now Shinichi resides in as under the name of Edogawa Conan. She is a strong karate fighter, and that's kind of one of her comedy traits is that she looks innocent, but when she fights, no one can no one can beat her. That's R. So go here, and we got what we got here? We got an SSR, and this is Hybara, one of another childhood classmate slash friend, but she also has another secret. Um, she's in one of Itagawa's Conan's inner circle, more inner circle, if you know what I mean. I like the design. Got title here, all these kind of little symbols that connects to her and purple theme. The back looks the same. Then we got this. We got an NR, which is this nursing. We got Heiji, and let's see, his childhood friend Katsuha. My apologies. So there's kind of a common theme, another kind of like rivalry or parallel of the main character, another teen detective kid, and a lifelong childhood friend. And here's Edogawa Conan hiding behind someone that he tranquilized. This could be Shinoko Shizuki. And you can see he's holding his bow tie note next to his mouth. That's how he uses voice changer to mimic the person's voice. Not really no foil or anything, but it's clean card. Oh, did I mention the card texture? It's the thin card, but really rigid. Really rigid. Got a little gloss on both sides. Feel really nice. All right, next pack. Again, we got Detective Soto. This time in her full character card, R. And you can see her name in English in the cursive here, in her Chinese name. This is Detective Mori. This is the childhood friend's father who owned the detective agency that Conan reside in. And he's an ex-cop and he's not really a good detective, but decent enough. And yeah, allows him, he always get like knockout and be mimicked to solve cases. Ooh, what is this? We got a QR card of Detective Conan's one of his more once a while rivalry. This is Kit the Phantom Thief. So there's a detective. He's a detective, and in his world there is a kind of like a Lupin thief, and that's this guy. Use magic tricks to steal things, and then of course Conan will be the one to try to debunk his tricks. Look at the back. Oh, this is a nicer looking background. You got Conan. You got like symbols of them, of different characters on top and bottom. And this is Kit's symbol. Let's see if it's here. It's not here. This is Detective Conan symbol, and this is Kit's symbol. This is Shinichi, Shinichi's Ron, Hybara. I don't know who this one is. yet. Guy with a beanie and a smoke, I think. Anyway, that's a nice car. Has a lot of glitter on it. Let's leave that. Make some room. The scenic car, we got Ron and his dad in a car. All right. This is, for this one, we got Kudo Shinichi himself pointing out his main phrase, there is always only one true. Shinichi Kudo. Nice rainbow hollow there on the R. We got Conan and Hybra. Looks like they probably are just observing a crime scene. We got one of the dark black organization of the bad guys in the set or in this anime, and they sort of do crimes in the back. They're international, and they go by codenames of alcohol. And this guy, his name is Jin. Yeah. And he's the guy who actually forced the drug onto Kudo Shinichi to turn him into Conan. Um, right, and then we got another scene of Detective Conan Edogawa in front of a fire. All right, we got another character here. This one is not one of the main character, but a supporting one. This is uh, Azu Azusa Inomoto. She is the owner of the cafe underneath the detective agency. We got the college student that is living in Detective Conan's house. We get another Kudo Shinichi again, this time him deep in thought, trying to solve a case. This is an SR card. Goes here. And oh, we got the same scenic image as well, but a different border this time. That's interesting. One's NR. Oh, one is NR and then one is a diamond NR. So I think the blue ones are NR, and then this one is a uncommon NR or a variant NR. So it's just the border. All right. Next pack. We got another of the police support personnel. This is Takagui Takachi. Got a cool Detective Kano on the snow on his skateboard chasing something. Lots of happening there. SSR and all. You see Edogawa Conan or Conan Edogawa here. You got him looking back, like checking something out. super seriously. And then we got the car ride. We got, and this is one of the staff of the cafe, Amuru. Toru Amuru is what his name is in English. But he's also, again, in this theme of detective spies. Oh, not spies, but detective, dark organizations, thief. He has a secret as well, or secret identity. We got Conan using his gadget. We've got SR Hybra, one of Conan's closest friends. And Conan in front of fire. We got Kaido Kit, the thief, Phantom Thief. This is a UR card. Oh, this is different. Got a little bit more golden border. Got a little bit more Japanese design background. That is nice. That. I'll put it here. Take that off. We got Suzuki. This is one of Ron's close friends. Got the college guy. We got Ron and her friend. They got an R on Ron himself again. So this is the employee of the cafe, and why is he in the car? That's sort of because he has secret identity, as mentioned. Got another Kudo kit. This is an SR this time. Edgy, fixing his cap. We get an R of Edogawa Conan, the man himself. Got another chibi one. This time it is Amura, the staff member. So here's a little hint why there's handcuff there. Sandwich, because he's a cafe staff. And we got three of Conan's classmates. And let's see, their name is, this is Ayumi. This is Subara. This is Genta. And so, they stick with Conan and always get, called out or get credit for helping out to solve cases. They kind of make themselves a team, call themselves the Detective Boys or Junior Detective League. So this part is pulled or inspired by um, the well-known fictional detective Sherlock Holmes, because he has a band of kids that help him out. But yeah. Oh, did I mention that Sherlock Holmes is Detective Kudo Shinichi's favorite uh, detective in the series? And we got that college student again. We got a R of highbrow. Conan's classmate. College kid again, a little bit more serious look. Heiji, this time with different look. This is the same one. Yep, it's a different look. He has a bomber jacket here, and he has a regular jacket. And we saw this one before. Okay, Kudo-senshi again, pointing at us. We got another one of his international cop friends. This one is Shunichi. We kind of read the cursive there. He is a more international friend, cop and friend. See if we can find his name. I can here. For the FBI, Shunichi, and his last name is Akai. Akai? A-K-A-I. Aki? No, this one gets a different background here. Wait, what card was this? UR. Oh, UR gets this kind of background. And the next one, we got a scene card. This one is probably one of like a ending of one of the crimes where Shinichi, as in Conan, showing he's there even though he's a kid. Conan and highbrow. Edgy again. Ron on the SR. Ron and his dad. Ayumi and Gentai in the back of a car. Ron on the R. Ron is her friend. We got Kudo, Shinichi, or Edogawa Kana here, ready and aiming his tranquilizer dart at us. And so he only had one ammo, so he whips it out when he's like really sure he got the answer. That's SR. There. And then we got this scene again. And hopefully we're halfway there. All right, R for Kudo-senshi and her friend. We got Detective Mori. This is one of his sleeping pose when he gets tranquilized. And at this time, he is always out and he don't know what happened. Then he gets all the credit for solving the case that Conan did. This is SSR. College kid. Heiji again. And Heiji. With a... Oh, don't know what that is. Looks serious. Judy, the English teacher. And we get the NR version. Ron on the R. Judy on the SR. Ron in Kudosinshi. Eyebrow. Kotaha. R. Conan. Ron on the SR. So it looks like we're starting to get a lot of duplicates, but hopefully we hit some more rare cards of other characters. Ooh, you get this one. This is Kudosinichi, and that looks like he's in London, but he's actually this is a mask. So he had one episode where he reverted himself back to his original form and snuck into a play. This is what we're referencing that. Nice QR. Oops. Leave that QR. We got an SR of Kaido Kit. Don't think we have saw this one. Got a bullseye target in the back. That's Judy in her FBI mode and with another of her colleague. See this one? Yadagawa Kana on the R. Let's see. You got Ron on the SSR. And here's referencing of her kung fu skills. The gi. And her friend. The female detective. On checking his phone in class. Eyebrow is in an SR, so that's R, that's R. Edgy fixing his cap. Eyebrow on the R. Ron and his dad. Her dad, sorry. Okay, we got Heiji, no, Kotoha and SR. And College Kid. And Ron's dad. Oh, someone new. This one is, this is Vermouth, and that is, she is one of the Black organization. But she's kind of a gray area, kind of a neutral kind of character. She doesn't really go against Conan, but she doesn't like fully go with the organization. So that's a SSR. Got Jin again on the SR, the Detective League. Cafe. Got Hybra using the tech. We got Amor, the staff with the cafe, and an SSR. Female detective, probably is undercover, or in her casual look. Kudosinichi On the R, Ibra and Kudus in Detective Conan. Detective Conan Edogawa Conan on the SR. Sorry, SR. And the scene. The male detective. Oh, this is so new. SSR on Moriboshi? Moriboshi. Okay, this is another of the law enforcement, but not part of the detectives, the FBI. This is guys from a different law enforcement in the storyline. Okay, he gets called out. Well, it does says series 1, so I'm not sure from which episode to which episode it's from. These two scenes. I think he was mentioned really early, and I think he no longer. I mean, he's like on a other assignment that he barely shows up now. Hit G on the R. On in front of the fire. Hit G on the SR. On and a Hybra. Kudo Shinichi in the R. Eiji and Kotoha. Run's friend in the SR. And we saw that scene. Alright, last two. Another of the black organization. This one is Vodka. Is his code name. SR. Got Kudosinichi and the SR. College guy. Female detective. AG on the R. On solving cases. Photo high on the SR. And the scene. And that's all the cards in the box. Total 3 packs. Wow. Thank you for staying through. So let's do a quick count. Okay. So each pack you do get a SR and an R and at least one of the NR scenes here. See how thick that is. And then let's see here. We got the NRRs, SR, got SSR. Oh, so okay, so there's only total 10 of those. So I think we probably hit all the SRs. Let's have a look. There's 10 of these. R, it seems like we were hitting a lot of duplicates there. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Wait. Oh, these are SRs. Well, they're supposed to be 10. Wait a minute. Am I counting more than 10? 1, 2, 3, 6, 7, 9, 10. No, 12. There's 12. There's 12 SRs, not 10. Oh, sorry, this is R. Take this R out. This is R. There's 12, so that makes 10. Okay, that's right. So the ones with the bullseye are the SRs. Okay, cool. We got all 10 characters in one box in the SR field. So with SSR, there's 10. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. We got 8 of them. No duplicates. That's a nice hit. And then next one is QR. There's only 8 of those, and we got 3 of the QRs. Kaido Kid, 4, and Kudasinichi. Next card we didn't get. We got the UR. We didn't get the GR. UR, there's only 5 cards. We got 2 cards. And they have this really nice Japanese traditional background for these characters. So yeah, so that's a recap of a box of Detective Conan Series 1 from KAYOU. And it's a $2 pack. So let me know what you think. Are you a Detective Conan fan? And yeah, what do you like about this set? I think it's quite cool. You get really nice image of screenshots of the anime and some cool designs of each character. Yeah, so as always, thank you for joining me. Feel free to check out my channel. I do other unboxing of other cards, Marvel cards, other trading card games, anime cards. It's sort of a kind of fun thing I do with my friends, um, just to open up things and collect things. And yeah, so if there's anything, catch you on my next video. Have a good day, and as always, continue to embrace the little surprises in life. All right. Yeah.